So Viral, finally, how are you?
I'm good, boss. How are you doing?
Very well, very well. So first of all, this is a very big fan moment for me as well. I've looked up
Thank
to
you.
you for so many years, and finally, podcast nahi, but just having
I know.
on an interview with you, it's a really big
It's
thing.
great seeing you, by the way.
Thank
I'm
you
so
so
happy
much.
to see you.
Thank you, thank you. So right now, there are a few questions I want to ask you.
Sure.
So, probably 6 to 7 questions because
Fire away. I love talking.
okay. So right now, the first thing I want to ask you that wherever you go, you always have that jolly personality. एक आपका style है. So how do you like the vibe today here at the TEDx?
Yaar, I think after seeing you guys, I've become happier.
Okay.
Also, I'll tell you why I started. If you go trying to meet, so I came here, I was very angry. I've been on the road for 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
For 20 kilometers, it took me, I don't know how long.
Yeah.
And I was angry. But then when you see young people, I think when you get older, you should realize, do not hang out with old people. Hang out with young people. You'll always be happy. So I saw a lot of you guys here. I was happy. Then I saw an old friend of mine after 20 years.
Oh wow.
ऐसा मैंने I was like, yaar, I need to hang out with him. So then I saw you. So it's like, वो खुद ही खुशी आ रहती है, because I'm not thinking कि क्या angle है, बस सिर्फ मिलो. You never know you never know when you meet somebody for the last time. So how do you want them to remember you?
In good words, actually.
In good words, right? So इसलिए.
ठीक है. सही है. So moving on to the next question.
Sure.
You have inspired many people, including me, including a lot of youths. Who is someone that you look up to when you find it hard to, get going at times?
Yeah. Okay, so there used to be a lot of online personalities I would look at.
Yeah.
But at the same time, now I've been blessed to even find good human beings in daily life who I look up to. They're my friends. Some of them I work with. So, an example is this gentleman who was a self-made man. He self-made businessman, done everything on his own. I see how he treats people, how he respects his own faith, how he respects everybody. He just becomes somebody. I like his quality. I will adopt that.
Mm-hmm.
Another friend of mine, I started working with him, and he runs a whole school network, Veritas Learning Center. Hey, Muzaffar, he is pretty popular.
Yeah, that's right.
I like listening to how he breaks down people and how he understands people, and I'm learning from it. So anywhere I go and I find somebody to learn, yes. I wish we had more heroes. Like, I do not have real life, but I have them online, so I can follow them. It's people who try to still learn. So how they learn, I learn from them. That's what I do.
सही है, ठीक है. And apart from that, so like again, as the point कि you have been inspiration for so many people, and
I don't know, but I'll try.
yeah, I started.
I'm going to inspire myself. That's more important.
I started teaching chemistry.
Mashallah,
after seeing
mashallah.
it, so
Oh,
that's
great.
also one thing. And so let me ask this: like, if you were not a chemistry teacher, what else profession would you be part of?
Well, you'll be surprised. I've done many, many professions.
Right.
So the guy that I just met, Asfar, they used to have a TV show called Subset Hai.
Yeah.
When I just came back from college, I used to help him direct. So I like photography. I like videography. I love programming. I want to be a student. I want to be a professional student. I like history. So that's a lot of things.
Yeah.
And me as a chemistry teacher. People don't realize that I've actually taught 5 different subjects.
Oh. Yeah.
What you end up becoming popular for, and then you become that. But I like doing different things. So if I was not a chemistry teacher, I would have been a programmer. I would have been a designer. I would have been a movie maker. I would have been a poor student forever. Many things.
And what inspires you to make a change in the education industry in Pakistan? Because that's what on the path that I always think that you have been to, being it with alt, like you mentioned, Veritas. So there's a sort of change that you're trying to happen. So,
I'll tell you what. When you start on this business now and you make small changes and you see people absorb those changes, and you can do, sir, aapne ye kiya, wo kiya, ye kiya, and I didn't even think I did big things, but they happened. So when you know this, a few things can change a lot. I want to make sure with all I change it. I keep pushing it. I'm not giving up because I know it can happen. The belief that you can actually change things is what drives me.
Right.
That's literally that.
ठीक है. And अब थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है हम podcast style पे जा रहे हैं, so I wanna just end it with 2 good humor questions maybe. So not humor questions, but what's something that you would want to remember as your legacy as a person? How would you want people to remember you?
Yeah, first of all, I think I want people to remember that everybody can make mistakes. So we've got this culture of labeling one person because of one wrong thing or bad thing. First of all, I am not the same I was 5 years ago. I am so different now. I've learned things. I will be different 5 years from now. I don't know. Let's say if I die tomorrow, it's different. If I die 10 years from tomorrow, I don't know how I will be. What I want people to know is that look at my example of people who can change their perspective. The theme was shifting perspectives. What people don't realize is every few years in my life, I'm shifting my perspective. Because that's the only way to stay fresh. Because generations change, people change. So at this age, being happy, trying to improve people is what I want to do. And I want to inspire more to do that. I think if there's this country, if more people did that, it would be a better place. So stay positive. Always look at the glass half full, not half empty is my life's motto.
And last question, and this is the question that I always ask the guest who's in my podcast.
Sure.
And the season 1 bhi jo mera hai, it's about education, change in education, about universities, A-level colleges, schools, what is being going wrong, and to talk more about solutions actually. So last question is that every process in life is building something, be it career, hope, relationship, future, anything. Every process, everything is a process. So what is something that you are building at life at this moment?
I'm trying to build a healthier life at this moment.
Okay.
I think consciously trying to build a system where I am disciplined. So when you're disciplined, you don't need motivation. You don't need mentors. You need nobody. A disciplined man is a beast. He can do anything. So now I'm trying to discipline. I'm building a weekly life structure where it has my health, mental health, work, all in balance.
Sahi hai.
That's what I'm building.
Sahi hai. Thank you so much. I'll take a picture with you because
Absolutely.
I've been waiting for 3 years to take a picture.
Let's come.